photographed laughing.
The things that were happening in the 90s here in Chicago, for me, they're happening now, but on a global scale. Right from the beginning, my experience was everything's possible. If it's a good idea, we steal it, you know? We use it, we try it, we experiment with it, and I never felt that the categories mattered at all. It was about working with anybody who had a good idea.
Chicago always had a feeling of unlimitless potential, I think, because in some ways, because it was made, the city just felt like it was made from scratch on a blank piece of paper. Kind of had this inspiring sort of feeling that a human can make what they want.